Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we will read lesson number 3, chapter number 1. Last time we read about ha to raw, but inshallah today we will be continue from za up to next. Okay, look at the can you see that letter? This letter shape is look like raw, the previous one which we read in the last lesson, but which has no dot, right? But it has one dot up. So you will be thinking what is the letter name? Okay, so their letter name is Z A A. Z A A. Za. What is? Za. Za sound is like B sound, like bee, honey bee or something like that. Zzz, like this sound, okay? Za. We will be long for 2 seconds because there's two A's, okay? Za. Okay, with 3 times, please. Za. Za. Okay, next. Look at the letter shape. The letter shape is look like which has three teeth like a brush. Okay, three teeth something. Okay, so look at the letter name. The letter name is Sien. Sien. Seen. So how to read it? How to read it? The seen sound will be like snake sound, like whistle sound, clearly. Okay, but we will long it for 5 seconds because it has much sign. Seen. Seen. Again. Seen. 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 Okay, from beginning. Za. 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 And next, seen. Okay, next, the same shape look like seen, but it has only 3 dot up. So look at the letter name. What is the letter name? Shien. Sheen. Sheen. What is this? Sheen. Like shh. Like quiet time. When you say quiet, okay? Shh. Like this sound, okay? We will belong for 5 seconds. Sheen. Sheen. Shh, 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 sheen. Okay, good. Now one more time from beginning. Za, 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 za. Okay, clearly. Next, seen. Like that. Okay. Like beta. Seen. Seen. Next, sh, sh, sheen. Okay, sheen. Very good. Next, look at there. Okay, when you see the next letter shape look like that. Okay, when you see that type of shape, so how to read it? So look at the letter name. Suad. Swad. Swad. It is this bold. Okay, swad. 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 Okay, press tongues on sides. Okay, press tongues on side and then say swad. Swad. Bold and heavy. Okay, swad. 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 Okay, swad will be also read boldly and heavy voice. Okay, beta, because it is a bold letter here. Okay, again, za, seen, sheen, swad. Next, Okay, the same shape which look like swad, okay, but one dot up. So what is the letter name? So this letter has two names. One name is Zuaad. Some people saying Zuaad, like I think uh, some Qur'an reading like غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. It is also correct, but generally we are reading Zuaad, okay, Zuaad, okay, beta. Then how to pronounce it? You can say that press the one side of tongue to the top side of teeth, okay. Then say heavy vowel Zuaad, Zuaad, Zuaad. What is? Zuaad. Again, Zuaad. Okay. One more time from beginning. Za. Za. Z. Like B sound. Okay. Next, number second. Seen. Like next sound, like a whistle sound. Okay. Number third, sheen. Shh. Like be quiet when you say some to someone. Be quiet. Shh. So it is the sound look like, okay? Shh. Sheen. Simple, okay, beta? Next, fourth one, swad. Okay. Okay, this is strong and a swad, strong S, okay, strong scene, okay, beta, swad, like touch this both side of tongue to the teeth, okay, then say swad, okay, read on the sides, okay, beta. Next, zwad, zwad. Okay, Zuaad will be read boldly, okay, beta? Bold and heavy, okay, beta? Zuaad, okay? Okay, so now we read about Za, Seen, Sheen, Swad, and Zuad, okay? Next, again, Za. Again, za. I told you, seen, seen. Next, sheen. Next, swad. What is this? Swad. Next, Zuaad. What is this? Zuaad. Okay. So we read about 5 letters from Za until Zuaad. So inshallah we will be read next lesson in the next video inshallah. Okay. It is enough for today. You just try to practice at home for 3 or 4 times. So it will be good for you. Okay. So inshallah we will be meet soon in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.